guys, welcome back to my beauty. This is Cece. This is a video. It's kind of like an old school type whatever, but we're doing steam inhalations for like if you're since we're getting into flu season, for like if you're, how you say,
sick,
congested, whatever. And so we're doing steam inhalations. I know most people got diffusers nowadays, but whatever. So if you don't have a diffuser, this can help with some flu type symptoms. Not saying it's going to cure you, but it can help alleviate your symptoms. But people be taking shit out before. So anyway, we're going to get into those, and yep, right now.
Okay guys, the first inhalation we're going to start off, you're going to need a bowl. Try to get a glass bowl if you can, but I didn't have one, so it is what it is. The first one we're going to start off with is going to contain cinnamon leaf. Now cinnamon leaf has antiseptic properties and it helps ease congestion. And we're going to also use grapefruit essential oil. Now grapefruit has antiseptic properties as well, and it helps detoxify the body. And bergamot, or bergamot, however you say it, that's a citrus oil that acts as an antidepressant and can help uplift your spirits and give you energy. And you're going to take 3 to 5 drops of each oil and drop it in your bowl. You can put it before or after your water, it doesn't matter. And this specific inhalation is just going to help you when if you're a little under the weather that day and you're feeling a little blah, you know. And so you just take, I would say 3 drops, maybe not 5, that might be a little strong. So take about 3 drops of each and put it in the bowl. And then next, you're going to grab your water, make sure it's steaming water. I know that might be common sense, but might not be to some people. So anyway, get your water, pour it in the bowl. And you don't have to fill it up all the way, just make sure it's halfway full. And that's about it. And so the next inhalation, we're going to start off with ginger. If you can, try to get ginger essential oil. I didn't have any, so we're just going to use ground ginger. It might have the same effect, hopefully. And ginger helps soothe the throat by relieving inflammation. And next we have tea tree oil. Tea tree oil inhibits bacteria and fights infection and helps alleviate sore throat as well. And then we have lemon. Lemon has antioxidant properties and is an energizing essential oil, kind of like the bergamot in the last one. And this is also going to help if you're a little bit under the weather and you just need to alleviate your symptoms a little bit, and that lemon's really going to help energize you and uplift you. So just 3 to 5 drops like we did in the last one, and you're going to take your steamy water and pour it in your bowl halfway, and that's it. And the next one, we're going to start off with some mint. Now mint has anti-inflammatory properties that help relieve irritation caused by coughing, and it contains menthol, which is a decongestant that helps break up the phlegm and mucus. And then we have eucalyptus. Eucalyptus helps silence cough and relieve a sore throat. And we have lavender. Lavender is a calming essential oil and it's great for insomnia. So this inhalation is particularly for nighttime if you're not feeling well and you're coughing and you're congested and you need help going to sleep. So all those essential oils are going to work together to help alleviate your symptoms. And about 3 to 5 drops of each of those. And you're going to take your steaming water again, and you're just going to pour it in halfway, just like we did with the other 2. And that's it. And then you're going to take your bowl and you're going to sit down, try to pull it to you as close as you can. And you're going to take a towel, you're going to put it over your head, and you're going to take in the steam. And do this for about 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay. Okay, guys, that was 3 steam inhalations you can use if you're feeling under the weather. I cannot talk. If you're feeling under the weather or you're feeling a little congested or whatever. And yep, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Love you.